Okay, Luigi, I'm gonna flip this coin. And I'm heads and you're tails, okay?
Okay.
Heads. Okay, so I go first. Got that?
Yeah, I got that.
Okay. I wall. Diglett.
Oh yeah? I draw Geodude.
Okay. Do I attack first?
Yeah, Mario.
Okay. Diglett, you scratch. Just gonna.
So that's like 20 damage?
Yeah.
How do you keep track of that?
Hold on. Okay, so I got a piece of paper. Anyways, let's see. So your Geodude has 80 health. 80. And I just did 20 damage. So that's 60, okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, yeah. Yeah, your turn.
Okay. Geodude, use light punch.
How much does that take?
20 damage.
Okay, so mine's at 50, and that's 20, so I'm at 40 now.
Okay.
Okay, Diglett, you scratch again.
That's another 60. There's another 20, I mean.
Oh yeah, that's right. I think that's it. Yeah, so, okay.
Geodude, use light punch again. Wow.
Wow, Luigi. You did that again? That only leaves me with 10 health. Diglett, you scratch. Sorry about that. You scratch, Diglett. Just gonna write that down. So that's 20 health. So what do you do?
Yeah?
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Oh, I'm gonna use, this move. The 10 damage
That's 10 damage! My Diglett died! Okay. Who I'm gonna go roll?
To Mario. Oh, wow.
Diglett, you scratch!
Oh no! My Geodude is dead! Who I'm gonna call Mario?
Who?
Wow, let me show the camera.
Oh, you think that thing can defeat my Diglett?
Yeah, Mario. Yeah, Mario. He can. Mario, I'm bored.
What do you want to do, Luigi? We got a lot of things to do.
You wanna go outside?
Yeah, I mean, it is fun, so come on, let's go.
What are you guys doing?
We're playing Pokemon.
A card game?
Yeah.
Okay, Mario, I'm bored.
What do you want to do, Luigi? We got a lot of things to do. We're playing Pokemon.
Card game?
Yeah.
Okay, Willows. Okay, Mario. You're totally outside. Okay?
Yeah, this totally isn't all different from
Yeah. It totally isn't a living room. I think we got a trash can in between, so... This is totally outside. It's totally outside. Okay.
Okay? This is totally outside. It's not... This is outside because, I take you to the window. It's out... This inside is outside because it's wet out there and I don't want to become wet. Anyways. Yes, this is totally outside.
Anyways, Mario. Let's go! Do. Okay. Okay, Mario. What should we do now?
I mean, we don't have much to do outside.
Mario, you recommended outside.
You wanna talk?
Yeah, sure, Mario. Beto,
man, prima amata.
Hey, that boy just stole out my hat. Come on, Mario.
Okay, Luigi. Wait, should I be more mad about this? Oh wait, yeah, sure. Yo, come back here, bald. How dare you steal my... With his hat? Only I can do that.
Quack. Quack, quack, quack.
Luigi, it went up there.
Mario, how are we meant to get up there? I'm not that tall.
I know, Luigi. I know you, Luigi. You're not that tall, but we can at least try.
Alright, come on. Let's go.
Okay. Oh,
You know, Mario, it took us so long to get up here. You okay?
yeah, I'm okay.
Okay.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna climb this thing again. Okay. Wait, what? It's even foldable now? Oh. Wow. Anyways, getting start's always good. Oh.
And how I have to get up there? The base of the tree. I can climb it up. Yeah.
Okay, now we gotta climb that. It's gonna be very hard.
Okay. All I have to do is climb this.
Hey Matt, hey Luigi. Yeah, we didn't have to film that in 2 seconds halt, by the way, but we do. And our video totally didn't cut out. Anyways, back to the thing.
It's fine, by the way. Ugh. I got it. Oh, where should I put this guy? I know. Hey, yeah.
Where's his hat? The Furion.
A Poyon.
Power card. Specifically Final. Hiya.
Waddle Pow. Hiya!
Riku. Go. Ugh.
I forgot the name of this Pokemon. Hiya!
Okay. I have an Onyx. Luigi. It's my last card. But it shall walk.
Well, Mario, I have the same Onyx card. Hiya!
Hey Luigi, you wanna stop this?
Yeah, sure, this is getting boring. You wanna pack up?
Yeah. No, let's not pack up. Let's have the non-clones deal with this.
Yeah, that's good. Come on, Mario.
Yeah. Thanks for watching the video. You made it to the end. Woo! Wee.
Mario.
Yeah.
Well, I had to fight this thing to get my hat. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and do I have to say it, Mario?
Say it, Luigi. It's about you, so say it.
Luigi.
Yeah, Luigi.
Sorry, I say Luigi. Luigi sometimes, because I like speaking to myself. But Mario, I'm not gonna say it.
Say it.
No!
Say it.
I don't wanna.
Fine, I will. Like and subscribe. See, Luigi, it's not that hard.
Great, now they won't subscribe to us. I'm gonna go make myself a turkey sandwich or something.
Bye. It's not, hold on.